Most Amazon sellers don't have a sourcing problem. They have a buying problem. They don't know how much to reorder or when to order it. Replen Pulse is built to tell you exactly what to buy, how much to buy, and when, based on your actual data. This magic happens here on the Restock page. On the Restock page, we provide you with your total quantity for the ASIN, how many sales you've had the last 30 days, how many days you've been in stock, as well as the lead time specific to that ASIN, and then you can put your assumptions in for prep time, Amazon time, and your seasonality multiplier. Additionally, using your prep sheets as an import, we also allow you to easily track the quantity that you've already ordered that you haven't shipped in yet, and all of these feed back into the recommended quantity to buy. This system was created because our team used to spend 11 hours a week evaluating just 300 ASINs, and now we're able to run through almost 1,000 in under 30 minutes. We make the purchasing as easy as possible, so you're allowed to select the items that you know you want to replenish in the future. You can automatically put in your ROI. You can even select whether you want to do FBA versus FBM. So maybe we're not looking to do any more FBM, and then I just come straight down this list and state these are the items that I want to purchase. All of these items get moved over to our buy list, and then you can come here and just select whichever supplier you want to start with. So here immediately we're automatically filtered. So these two options here are cheapest from Clinique. But say we want to come down here, we can check to compare what our cost is for this ASIN from other suppliers. I'll go ahead and create order. From here, you would include your purchase order number, cashback, percent extension, card number, and allow for you to be able to keep track of all this information to be able to search for it later on in the order history. So I ordered 25 of these for this website. I'll come here. Obviously prices increased, but let's say I went ahead and ordered 5, and now I can complete my order. All of this information is then stored in the order history for us to be able to come back and look for later on. So for example, if I select this ASIN, I can now search, and here's all of the orders that we've ever purchased for this ASIN. And here soon, we're going to allow you to attach your order confirmations and invoices so that you can easily find these if you ever have an account health violation or when you're trying to contest a shipment loss from Amazon. In addition to going through this main purchasing process, we have a lead tracker for your team to supply leads to. With each lead supplied, a lot of this information is auto-filled. We also tell your team whether an item is gated or not. One of the cool features that we allow for you to see is over time, you are going to have some of the same leads come in, and we want to make sure that you're able to distinctly see these new items. So for example, this one here is now 90% cheaper than we purchased previously. However, this one here is now 37% more expensive. So in seeing this, you would know you want to go ahead and purchase this and move it over to your buy list for the future purchase, and then the supplier would automatically be updated in your Restock page for future orders. We allow for you to have a staging page. This is where you can capture all of your out of stock items that you want to keep an eye on, for you to approve your leads and make sure that you're able to get past the 5886 generic error code from Amazon. Or if you were unable to purchase for any reason, this is a great holding ground to help keep your buy list nice and clean. So that way at the end of each purchase session, this buy list should look empty. Finally, we have the repository. This is all of the ASINs that you've sold over the last 2 years. This will continue to grow the longer that you are with Replen Pulse. We spend so much of our time searching for new ASINs. We don't want to lose any of the items that we've already found in the past. So what you can easily do is every 2 weeks or every month come in here and say, which of these items am I ungated in? Which ones have a 20% or higher ROI? And now I can go to the supplier and purchase, and this is an ASIN that would have otherwise been forgotten about. You have an accurate buy recommendation here that we have used for our own business to scale just 130% last year by improving our cash flow. This number here accounts for real lead times and is built for an actual purchasing workflow. Instead of guessing over ordering, or running out of stock, you have a clear system that tells you exactly what to do. We have seen the results in our own business, where we spend less than 0.2% of our revenue on storage fees and less than 0.02% on low inventory fees. This demonstrates improved cash flow and better use of the capital on hand, all while saving time by avoiding spreadsheets. If you want to remove the guesswork from your inventory, you can start a free trial below.